people have been arrested in connection with the murder of a 26-year-old scheduled caste youth who had fallen in love with the daughter of an inter-caste couple. Now, the victim here, Vairamuthu, was hacked to death at Adhyamagalam in Mayiladuthurai district late on Monday. Based on a complaint from Viramuthu's mother, Raja Lakshmi, police registered a murder case against 6 people in this incident. Now, those identified were as Gugan, Malini's brother, Anbunithi, 19, son of Anbasaran, Bhaskar, 42, son of Somu, and Vijaya, 45, along with Malini's mother. Now, all of these are residents of Adhyamangalam. Police said that all except Vijaya belongs to the scheduled caste community. Now, as one of the accused, Vijaya is a caste Hindu background, and the provisions of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act have been invoked in this case. In fact, the probe has been now handed over to Sub-Divisional Police Officer Balaji, and efforts currently are on to trace 2 more suspects. Remember, the latest we're getting in this case is that 4 people have been arrested, and this is in connection with the murder of a 26-year-old scheduled caste youth. Remember, this person had fallen in love with the daughter of an inter-caste couple. Now, in this case, victim identified as Vairamuthu was hacked to death at Adhyamangalam in Mayiladuthurai district. This incident occurred late on Monday, in fact. And now, based on the complaint from Viramuthu's mother, Raja Lakshmi, police has registered a murder case against 6 people. Remember, investigation is currently on. They're trying to trace 2 more suspects, as in total 6 people are involved and only 4 have been arrested as of now. The probe has been handed over to Sub-Divisional Police Officer Balaji, in fact. Now, in this case, viewers, as one of the accused, Vijaya, is from a caste Hindu background, therefore, provisions of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Act have been invoked.